Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money from Cash App to a Chime account. All right, let's begin. Open the Cash App on your phone and tap the user icon in the top right corner to access account settings. Scroll down and tap Linked Banks. To link your Chime account, select Link Bank or Link Card. Enter your Chime account details, routing number and account number if linking the bank, or card information if linking a Chime card. Once the details are confirmed, your Chime account will appear under Linked Banks. Now return to the Cash App home screen. Tap your balance at the bottom left to access the banking page. Here, you'll see Add Cash and Cash Out. Tap Cash Out to transfer money to Chime. Enter the amount you want to send. Make sure it does not exceed your Cash App balance. After entering the amount, select your linked Chime account as the transfer destination. Next, choose your transfer speed. Instant transfers arrive quickly but include a small fee. Standard transfers are free and typically take 1 to 3 business days. Confirm the transfer, and the money will be sent from Cash App to Chime. You can repeat this process whenever needed. So that's basically how you can send money from Cash App to a Chime account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.